Whitefish Point Bird Observatory is, first and foremost, a research area. So while there's no dedicated visitor center, it does offer the chance to be in a place where really important bird research is being done. This area is so special for birds because it creates a natural migration corridor across Lake Superior where birds can cross into Canada. To monitor these migrations, Whitefish Point Bird Observatory conducts raptor counts, waterbird counts, and owl banding during various points of the year, with the peaks of these migrations typically happening in the spring and fall. There are two boardwalks here at Whitefish Point, the first being a short walk out to our waterbird counting shack. This path can be accessed directly from the parking lot. Just look for the signs. From this boardwalk, you'll be able to learn more about Whitefish Point and the birds here by viewing our signs. You'll also get the chance to see waterbirds in the spring like loons and grebes, and forest species such as warblers and sparrows. Our other boardwalk trail brings visitors to the hawk deck, where raptors are counted every spring. You can find this boardwalk trail by walking past the Great Lakes Shipwreck Museum and looking left. This is a great place to keep an eye out for hawks, eagles, and falcons. If you're thinking about visiting Whitefish Point, it's important to remember that the weather can change pretty quickly, even during the summer. In other words, you might need sunscreen and a rain jacket on the same day. Make sure to come prepared by looking at the weather forecast before visiting and bringing layers. It's also important to note that bathrooms are not available on site from November through April. If you're here during the summer, be especially mindful of the piping plover nesting area. We're very lucky to have this endangered bird nesting on our shores. You can do your part to protect them by keeping dogs on leash, making sure you follow the rules, and staying out of the nesting area. You can also learn to identify them. Whitefish Point Bird Observatory is a place where amazing birds and natural beauty go hand in hand. We hope you'll get the chance to visit and see this wonderful place for yourself.